This little ginger cat is going to be the next Taylor Swift.
You know, it's a scary thing being on the mic. Yeah!
Excuse me. Ow. Ow. What's the problem? What's wrong, Rooney? What's wrong? Oh, morning paw. Morning paw. Really wrong. Morning paw. Ah, ah, that one was my fault because I got nervous.
Everyone shut up. Dubert has something to say. Oh, never mind. He is distracted by how cute you are.
My bodega has a baby cat that's 5 months old named Simba, and I'm asking my friends here, where's the cat? Where's the cat? Guys, look at this little baby. Hi, bud. Oh, that's